Bye-bye, Santa Claus.
Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos twice a week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. So let's get into the sad part. This is a part I hate. I love the Christmas holidays. I love that time of year. And to take away all of this, to take down all the decorations, it literally made me sad. Like I felt like Christmas this year, one, it was too fast, and two, it was too fast. Like it came around like that, and then it lasts for literally a couple hours, and it was done. And now we gotta take everything back down. So this is just me getting ready to put my Christmas decorations up, and put up my pumpkins, and get out what I need for the house.
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
So a little trick I learned over the years, I store my pumpkins where I could access them easily. So I start putting up my fall decorations in September. So I store them above the washer, and I store my Christmas things in the back of the closet, like deep in the back of the closet.
We were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah.
I really feel like playing Christmas music because Christmas wasn't Christmasing. Christmas didn't hit like how previous Christmas would. And I miss my pumpkins. I just love the whole Christmas decoration. I love the mood. I love how everybody's happy and nice. Out with the winter candy apple, in with, what is this one? Oh, Japanese cherry blossom. I love the lotion, but baby, the air freshener, oh my gosh, this wallflower had my house smelling like butter, like nice cherry butter. My daughter was literally crying when taking down her Christmas stuff from her playroom. But listen, if mommy gotta take hers down, you gotta take yours down, boo-boo. It's a part of life. And I know it looked like I'm just throwing everything in here, but I promise I organize it. I just literally wanted to get everything off the table, and I organize it. This was so cute. I want to redo it again next year. But I love this centerpiece, and it's literally just these Christmas tree that I can make. Watch, I'm gonna make it next year. And it's just a door ornament that not a door ornament, what do you call it? Wreath. What is it? You know what I'm talking about. And I just put it on the table and pop the Christmas trees in between, and it looks so beautiful. And now it's gone.
I'm feeling high.
I love these little Christmas trees. I got them from Target, and of course when I went back last year and this year, they were all gone. But my thing is, for next year, I want to get a bunch of those and a bunch of the cone ones and literally line my kitchen counter. Like, I want a hill of Christmas trees. Y'all think this is bad? More coming. If you watch my last cleaning video, you know that I painted the stairs just so I could put the wreaths on the stairs. Why did it stain? Why did the red stain the fresh paint that I put on here? So now we're going to have to touch it back up. Life. This needs to be dust out and wash.
Bye-bye, Santa Claus.
I missed the gym all week, but I promise you, cleaning your entire house feels like a full-on workout. You sweating, jam some music to it. Goodbye to you. Now it's time to clean. I did a full deep clean of the kitchen, cleaned out the microwave, the fridge, scrubbed the sinks. Y'all know y'all supposed to clean the sinks? I even cleaned out the damn gutters, the drain. Pour hot water with bleach, and then I go and disinfect everything. I have a 3-year-old. Everything gets disinfected around here. They don't listen. This is the part that made me so sad, man. I love this, and just to take it down, ugh. But next year, I have an idea for my tree. Next year, I'm getting more red ribbons, and I'm getting a bigger gold wrap. Let's see, because the gold wrap I want is a little pricey. It's a lot of pricey.
I'm feeling high.
I could have waited on my husband to help me take the tree down, but y'all, I was impatient. It was the last day of my vacation, and this tree had to be down before the 3rd or 4th. I don't know, it's just something in my head. Makes no sense, but I can't sit around and wait. I gotta do it myself. Alright, tree is up. Surprisingly, she got back in the box nice and easy. Just gotta clean up this. My dress. Look at my freaking dress. That's rice. Look at my dress. Gotta clean this up. Good morning. Good morning. So this is what we're looking like. I need to put we have a rocking chair that goes over there that needs to go back. I threw out some of my decor for right here. need to get some back. I don't know why I do that, and I need to dust. Since taking the tree down, I need to dust again. And then over here, something is missing. I don't know what I had here that I threw away, and I need to get it back because I don't like an empty space. So this is how it's looking. No more tree. I feel so empty. I feel so like I wish Christmas was a little bit longer, or I wish I could have had like the tree up longer, because I felt like it was literally 2-3 weeks. We only had it up for 3 weeks, and now it's gone, and now it just looks so bare. And we'll go to Burlington and see what we can find. What did I throw away? Like, I think there was a plant there or something that, I don't know. I don't know. And then we gotta go out here and fix her up because she's looking a hot mess. But it's a beautiful day in Florida City. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go back and watch the rest of the videos, okay? I put out videos twice a week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.